Cooking Anda Ghotala is a fun and delicious journey. It's an egg-based dish enriched with spices and vegetables, perfect for those craving a unique twist on eggs. And you'll remember its flavors long after your first bite. And trust me, it's worth it. Let's begin with the main ingredient, eggs. You'll need about 6 eggs. Crack them in a bowl and whisk until you reach a smooth, consistent texture. And this can be a stress-relieving process, a good therapy after a long day. Next, grab onions and tomatoes, chop them finely. The perfect dice makes all the difference, ensuring that every bite has a balanced flavor. A sharp knife here is your best friend, avoiding tears as you slice. You'll need spices too. Gather turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt. These flavors meld into the eggs, transforming them from simple to spectacular. Measurement is key. Think teaspoon rather than tablespoon, or it could overpower your meal. Heat oil in a pan. This is where it all begins. Watch those onions and tomatoes sizzle and turn golden brown. This sounds simple, but controlling the heat is a skill. Too hot, and they burn like my temper in traffic. Add ginger garlic paste next. The aroma will fill your kitchen, creating that restaurant-like feel at home. It's a surefire way to impress anyone walking in. Saute until this paste loses its raw smell, which is when it releases magic. Now it's time for the spices. Sprinkled turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala over the mix. The aim is to coat the onions and tomatoes evenly, creating a vivid mosaic of color, a vibrant display that signals bold flavors ahead. Add some water to this mix. This is crucial. It ensures that your spices don't stick to the pan and that everything simmers nicely. With stir to combine, then watch as it all comes together into a savory sauce, thick and enticing. Pour in the egg mixture. The magic of Anda Ghotala really begins here. Let it cook gently on low heat, stirring occasionally. Pro tip, use a spatula to scrape the sides, ensuring those flavor nuggets stay within reach. The eggs will eventually set, creating soft curds swimming in a spicy sauce. It's worth every second spent in the kitchen. If you like a bit more texture, cook until they're creamy, yet firm like a spreadable breakfast. Taste testing is essential before you plate it. Adjust salt and spices to suit your palate. Serve it hot, garnished with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of freshness. These little green bits brighten the dish and your day. Pair this Anda Ghotala with warm buttered pap bread. You'll find it soaks up the flavor beautifully. Each bite a harmony of textures and tastes. It's the perfect companion to this Indian-style egg surrealism, promising happy taste buds. Enjoy it with friends or savor it alone on a lazy weekend morning. It's a dish that speaks of comfort and adventure, in equal measure, made better with each attempt. Cooking can be a fun experiment if faced with curiosity and an open heart.